The three little pigs stand outside their mother's cozy home, ready to face the world. Percy bounces with youthful energy, eager to turn every moment into a game. Stanley yawns, his practical nature hinting at a touch of laziness. Bartholomew stands tall, his thoughtful gaze promising diligence and care. "Be careful out there, my little ones, and remember to work hard," warns their mother, her voice echoing with love and concern. In the expansive straw field, Percy rushes to gather straw, his movements quick and frantic. Percy's straw house is completed, a testament to his haste. Percy laughs, confident in his quick work. Stanley, the second pig, gathers sticks with furrowed brow. He puts in more effort than Percy, but seeks the quickest route. His stick house takes shape, slightly sturdier but with noticeable gaps. Bartholomew diligently hauls bricks, his determination etched in every movement. He mixes mortar with focused intensity, preparing to lay each brick with precision. Days turn into nights as he builds a solid, secure house, brick by painstaking brick. The wolf approaches Percy's straw house, a looming threat against the fragile structure. With a mighty huff and puff, the wolf unleashes a gust of wind, and the straw house crumbles. Percy screams in terror as his home disintegrates, and he flees towards Stanley's stick house. Percy seeks refuge at Stanley's stick house. The wolf appears, his breath growing stronger. The stick house splinters and crumbles under the wolf's relentless assault. Both pigs flee in terror toward Bartholomew's brick house. Percy and Stanley frantically pound on Bartholomew's door, their hope hanging by a thread. Bartholomew, his face radiating warmth, opens the door, offering them sanctuary. A menacing shadow looms as the wolf arrives, his eyes burning with malicious intent. The wolf huffs and puffs, but the brick house stands defiant, its strength unyielding. Inside the brick house, the three pigs huddle, fear gripping them as the wolf's shadow looms outside. The wolf circles, a predator seeking weakness. Bartholomew places a hoof on his brother's shoulders, his voice a beacon of resolve. "Brothers, remember what I told you. This house is strong because we built it with care and planning." Under the cold, watchful moon, the wolf circles the brick house, a dark silhouette against the night. Frustration twists his features as his brute force fails, but a cunning idea sparks in his eyes. With a determined glint, he begins his ascent, claws scraping against the rough brick. His target, the chimney. Inside, the pigs hear the wolf's movements and quickly devise a plan. Bartholomew sets a trap, placing a large pot of boiling water under the chimney. The wolf loses its grip and plunges into the scalding water. The wolf howls in pain, its dominance shattered by the resilience of the brick house. The three pigs erupt in cheers, their triumph echoing through the night. Their victory is complete, the wolf is gone, and their home stands strong. Inside the sturdy brick house, the three pigs revel in their safety, a testament to their hard work and foresight. They reflect on the valuable lesson learned, now secure in their well-built home. Bartholomew stands tall among the ancient trees, his experienced hands showing the proper bricklaying technique. Percy and Stanley watch with rapt attention, their faces reflecting a newfound eagerness to learn. The forest floor is scattered with bricks and tools, a testament to their ongoing construction project. Inside the sturdy brick house, the three pigs share a meal, their laughter echoing through the room. They reminisce about past adventures, their hearts filled with gratitude for their safety and companionship. The pigs transform the area around the brick house into a thriving garden. They plant vegetables and flowers, demonstrating their newfound appreciation for hard work and cooperation. The three pigs stand together, their silhouettes outlined against the setting sun. They watch the sunset over their prosperous home, a testament to their hard work and unity. The brick house stands tall, a symbol of their resilience and success.